Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, all. Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. Before that, let me ask you, did you all finish drawing the flowers in your book? The flowers, did you draw sunflower and the shoe flower?
Yes.
Can I see? Do you have your books with you? Parents, can you please take it for them so that we... yes, Helen, excellent. Wow, the shoe flower looks beautiful. Did your mommy draw? She helped you and you colored it? Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Parents, next time when you draw, ask them to draw. Okay. Mudyan Madhav? Yes. Herrick? Yes. Helen, very nice. Very beautiful sunflower and beautiful shoe flower. Okay. You try drawing in another paper also. Okay. Okay. Yes. Dhyan Madhav, I saw the next child. Gauri Krishna, good. Others, can I see? Eric, where is your sunflower and shoe flower? Sri Shyam, good. Beautiful. Yes. Aiden, color, you have to color, Aiden. I told you to color it. Okay. Jitin, can I see? Dhyan, Gauri, yes. Those who finished, don't show me again and again. Those who have not shown, please show. Show me your books. Eric, finished your sunflower and shoe flower? Good. Yes, Jit, very beautiful. What about others? Why you didn't complete? Every day's work, when ma'am is giving you, I want you to finish it then and there. Otherwise, it keeps lagging. You keep lagging. What will happen? Everything will be pending. And one day you have to do everything together. That will be too much. Okay. Advika, good. Dhyan, good. Can I see others? Those who have finished your drawing. Advik, Pranay, Dev, Abraham. Can I see your drawings? Many of you have not completed. Is it so? Will you do it today? Will you draw today and color it? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, you have to do it today itself. Okay? Finish it. Don't keep lagging, children. You have to draw. It's okay. Whatever you draw, Nancy ma'am is not going to scold you. Okay? If you draw a sunflower and it doesn't turn out to be sunflower also, it's fine. Okay? Try drawing it. I want you to draw it.
Ma'am,
Okay? Yes.
ma'am, I am joining in another device. Can you let me in?
Who is that? Can I give me a guess?
Trisha.
Sri Shyam. Yes, you may join. Sam, yes. Okay. Trisha, good. Wow, nice sunflower. And what about the other flower? What flower is that? Marigold? You tried drawing one more? Trisha?
That's trying to write something.
That is also sunflower. Okay. Color it. Okay. Yes. Who is ma'am? Who called me ma'am? Srisham's brother, is it Galaxy A20? You wanted to join in another device? Joanna Rose? Yes. Who is that, ma'am? Joanna, I saw. Good. Okay, children. Now let's start this class with a prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Let's start. Our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us, give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Dear Father, bless all the people who are suffering from coronavirus and all the people who are in the mission of treating them. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Okay? So, children, I want everybody to draw the sunflower and shoe flower today itself and color it. Okay, don't worry. However, it looks, don't mind. I want you all to do the work. Okay? Yes, try drawing however it comes. Okay? Huh? Pasha, make that work complete. Okay, now today we are going to do the ag words. We are going to do a revision of it. And then we are going to do numbers from 1 to 50 and also going to learn a new shape. Okay, now Nancy ma'am has got something in my hand. Can you all tell me what is that first and then give me the shape of it? That's what we are going to do. Okay, I've got some object in my hand. What is that object? What is it?
Square.
What is it?
Square.
Wow,
Square.
it's a square. It's a shape. The shape is square. And what is it? It's a photo frame. Nancy ma'am is having a photo frame. I can keep it on my table. You see a stand here? Yes. So it's a photo frame. Okay. Yes. Okay. So what shape is this, children? The frame is square shape. What shape is that? Square shape. Did you see? Let's see how many sides it has. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has got 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all the 4 sides are equal. Yes, equal എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? It's ഒരുപോലെ. Okay, ഒരേപോലെ ഇരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. Okay, it's same. All the 4 sides are same. When it is same, we call it equal. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has got 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is a square. Now, we have so many things in our house with square shape. Who is that? Somebody called me, ma'am. Is that a parent trying to talk to me? Okay, please keep your mics muted. Alankrita, Jennifer, can you all keep your mic muted? Aiden, mic muted, please. Okay, I've told you, if it is a really emergency, you disturb me. Otherwise, don't call me because I'm just waiting for you. Okay? Yes. So did you see that? A square shape? Okay, now I'm sharing my screen. Children, there are so many things in our house which has got square shape. What is it? It has got square shape. For example, your windows. Look at your windows. Gayatri, turn back and look at your window. The grill of the window. What shape is that? Square. I will just spin Gayatri there. Gayatri, I would like you to move little. Okay, see, Gayatri's window is got a square shape. What shape it has got? It's got a square shape. Yes, Gayatri, move a bit that side. Can you all see the small squares there? Yes, that's a square shape. Now check in your house, everybody. Check your house. Do you have a square shape somewhere near your door or window? One minute, I'm not trying to move it. Has the view changed? Drisha's mother, can you give me an answer if it has had come back to the normal screen? You're not able to unmute. Can you speak? Has that spotlight moved? Drisha's mummy?
Yes, ma'am.
Has the screen come back to normal?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Because I'm not able to view from here. I'm still thinking that she's been shared. Okay, who else is having? Drisha, I saw you showing something in your hand. Did you draw a square? Can I see that?
Upside down.
Yes. Now a square. See, Drisha has drawn a square and she has got a spelling of all that. Drisha, can you read that spelling?
S.
Yes.
S. Q.
Ah.
U-A-R-E.
Yes. S-Q. Thank you. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Okay. That's square. That's a spelling of square. Okay. Children, everybody look into your window in your house. Look at the clock. Clock. Does it have a square shape? What all is square shape? Vaiga is having a book which has got square shape. Is it square or rectangle? Okay. Yes, somebody is showing me a mat. Drisha is again showing a window frame. Yes, who is calling me, ma'am? Give me the name, please. Square. Aiden? Yes. Okay, I will share it. Okay, I'm seeing you all showing me some object or the other. Okay, now keep it down. Thank you. Okay, your table is square, your slate is square, somebody showing me a mat is square. Okay, put it down, children. Okay, now listen to ma'am. I'm sharing my screen now. Everybody, please look at the screen which ma'am is showing you all. Okay. Do you all see the screen? Yes. Now, tell me what shape is this? Yes, this is a square. Okay, and square has got 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and what's the spelling of square? Yes. Q, U, A, R, E, square. Okay, we may find a photo frame in the square shape. We may see a clock in the square shape. Have you seen the clock in your house? Sometimes some clocks are in square shape. Okay, then you may find the windows. Okay, the windows in your house is having a square shape. Sometimes you may also find a mat in the square shape. Children, while I'm sharing your screen, I cannot see any of you. Okay, so don't keep calling me. That will become, I will not be able to know who is calling me. Okay, I can hear only the sound. Okay, now you see this, all the square shape. Okay, in last class, we learned few shapes. Can we see what is this shape? What shape is this? This is circle. What's the shape of circle? C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Yes? C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Yes? Okay. Now, what is this shape you see here? Vaiga? What shape is that? It's a triangle shape. Okay, it's a triangle shape. And how many sides does it have? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now what's the spelling of triangle? T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Now, give an example for circle shape. We have a ball in the circle shape. We have sun in the circle shape. You have your mummy's bangle in the circle shape, or your bangles in circle shape. Yes. And what are the things we see in triangle shape? Sometimes some of you may have a clock in triangular shape. Okay. Some of you will have chocolates in triangular shape. Mummy will make sandwich for you this weekend in triangular shape. Okay, so we see triangle shapes. Triangle has got 3 sides, 1, 2, and 3. Now, today what did we learn? We learned a shape called square, where it has all the 4 sides equal. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so today I'm I'm giving you a work. What is that work? Today you will go after my class, go out inside your house, go inside your house, find 5 objects which is having square shape. What is it? Find 5 objects which is having square shape. Now some of you showed me, slate, mat, so many things in square shape. Same way, you have to go around and look for 5 objects and show your mummy. So your mummies will see, are you taking the shape which is right, correct shape? Okay. Yes, and parents in between, I want you to ask them to show, while they're playing, ask them to show a circle shape. Ask them to go and collect 3 things which is circle shape. Ask them to go find a triangular shape. Show things which is in triangular shape. Okay, play with them. Ask them to cut paper in triangular shape and paste it. All these kind of activities you can give them. Okay, so children will see things. When they see things, they will try to find shape and everything. Okay, so today homework is, you will find 5 objects which is having square shape. What shape is that? Square. Repeat the word square. Say everybody, square. Asi and Aisha, sit straight. Square, 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 square. Okay, square has how many sides? 4 sides. Say that, 4 sides. Okay, and all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Okay, now let's move on to mat now. Let's move to math now. Maths. Everybody take your math notebook. Everybody take your math notebook. Sharing my screen. Take your pencils. Now, let's start writing numbers here. Ready, everybody, for writing numbers? First, I want you to write the date. So, what's the date today? 19/11. 19th November. Okay, now take your pencil. Let's write starting from. So I'm going to ask you to write numbers 1 to 50. Okay, we are going to write numbers 1 to 50. Shall we write it together? Everybody together with ma'am. Start writing. Fast it should be. Okay, 1. And write neatly. See to that all the numbers are sitting on the bench. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you all writing with me? I don't see some of you not writing. Take your book and start writing fast. 5. Say and write. 6, 7, 8. Say and write. 9, 10. Aiden, are you not saying and writing? Jewel, are you not writing? Gauri, very good. She's writing with me. Kristen, Catherine, Advika, start writing, everybody. Okay, start writing, everybody. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. Say and write. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. Abhimanyu, finish writing. Write fast. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. After 20 comes 21. So let's write 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. Say and write. 2, 5, 25. I want you to keep the speed. Are you in speed with ma'am? 2, 6, 26. Let me see how many of you are going to go to first standard by writing it fast. 2, 7, 27. Alon. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. Say and write, everybody. 3, 0, 30. After 29 comes 30. 3, 0, 30. Finished, Sam? Anvin? Adya? Alankrita? Mahadev? Are you all writing? 3, 1, 31. Max. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. Sam, I'm writing first. I'm going to go to first standard. You're not coming? Right? 3, 7, 37. Sam, you're looking like a baby. Are you a baby? Write fast. No, you're chatting. Write fast, write fast. Anvin Cheta, write. Alangrita Chichi, right. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. 4, 0, 40. After 39 comes 40. Finished, Gayatri. Excellent. I will send you to the standard. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. Alankrita finished? Very good. Srisham finished. There are so many who finished. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. And 5, 0, 50. Very good, Adya Rahul. Finished, Sri Sham, Dev Abraham. Oh, many of them finished. Nesta, good. Ishfaq, Catherine, good. Gauri, good. Aiden, good. Okay, I need to send everybody to first standard now. What will I do then without you all in UKG? Finished? Good. Those who finished, put your books down. Now pencil down. Parents, if they're still lagging behind, make them to put the pencil down. I would like to carry on with the next one. After my class, you can make them write. Can you please help me with that? Okay, thank you, children. You can, Sam, you can write after class. Sam, I told your mummy to take the book. Okay, those who are finished, please leave your books down on the table, close it. Now look at the screen. Nancy ma'am would like to play missing letters with you. Okay? Heard? I'm going to play missing letters with you. Now keep your mics muted. The one by one I'm calling will give the answer. Okay? Yes. Now look at the screen. Nancy ma'am is going to write few number names here. Okay? Missing letters. You will tell me what is missing. Wait here. Okay? I will call one by one. Now watch carefully what I'm writing. Okay? Keep your mics muted. Nobody will talk. I will call the names. Only then you will unmute. Heard? Yes. Who is that? Keep your mics muted. I said mic to be muted. Okay, now Patrick, give me the answer. What comes after O? Only Patrick will unmute. Others, please do not. O, what comes there? Very good. O-N-E, 1. Now, Dhyan Madhav. Patrick, you may mute your mic. Dhyan Madhav, unmute. Dhyan Madhav, unmute. Give me the answer. T-O. What comes there? Dhyan, what comes here? T-O. What comes there? Anai, can you give me the answer? Speak, Dhyan. No, W. Yes, T-W-O-2. Advika Pranav. Advika Praveen. T-dash. What comes there? T? Very good. T-H. Now, thank you. One by one, I need to give a chance. That's why. One letter only you need to give. Drisha, T-H-R, and what comes? Drisha, T-H-R. What comes next? Others, you may please mute. Others, you may please mute your mic. Parents, you need to support me here. Kasinath and Eric, can you please keep your mics muted? Kasinath, please keep your mic muted. Trisha, give me the answer. THR, what comes next?
E.
E. Thank you. Joanna Rose, what comes next? THRE? Huh?
One more E.
Speak. E. Okay, THREE. Now, Eric Saji, what comes next? F-U. What comes there? FOU. Now, Kasinath, give me the answer. FOU and comes what? Kasinath, give me the answer. R. Patrick, please mute your mic.
U.
Patrick, mute your mic.
R.
Ishfaq, Ishfaq, speak. What comes next? F. FIV and comes. Parents, I'm muting you all because I don't get any support. Some of you are muted, unmuted, and then still not listening me. They have kept it like that. So please, I'm giving the answers. FIV, and what is missing here, children? E. Make your child give the answer to you. Okay. Yes dash X. What comes there? Give the answer to your mummy. SI. Okay. SIX 6. Okay, Gavri. The next one. S dash. What comes there? Johace. SE. Gavri, I'm looking at your lips. Give me the answer. SEV dash N. What comes there? E. Yes. SEVEN 7. Okay. Next. Nesta. E dash. What comes there? EIGHT 8. Okay, the next one. N dash. What comes there? Drisha, are you talking? N dash. What comes there? NINE 9. Anai, what comes next? T dash N. Rifa, what comes there? TEN 10. So parents, I'm sending one question paper like this in your WhatsApp message. Please write the questions in a pen to your child in the notebook. Let them fill in the answers only from ONE 1 till 10. Okay. The next class, I'll be giving it from 11 to 20. So that means they have to be thorough with the number names. Okay. Okay. So children, so you have to be thorough with number names from 1 to 10 today. Okay. Now let's move on to English. Okay, everybody take your English notebook, your English 4-line notebook. Please take it. Okay. Now, do you see a margin there in your book? You all see a margin there, right? A red margin. Write the date here. What will you write the date today? 19/11, 19th November. Now, parents, you need to draw a line for them. So, okay. Like this, please draw lines. Number 1, children, let's write ag. You remember last day we were learning all these spellings. Ag. Please write, everybody. I need you to write. Ag. So after my class, you can write in the other columns. Okay? Number 2. Please write number 2 down. And write bag. What is your bag? Bag means your mummy's shopping bag or handbag, your school bag, all that is called bag. Okay? Bag. Then write number 3. Anvin, are you not writing? I don't see you writing. Write with ma'am. Jennifer, write. Alankrita right, Dev right, Vedika right, Adya Rahul, Vaiga, Rifa, Adya, Vaiga, Rifa, Esra. Then you write lag, L-A-G, lag. Did you see? L is touching red line, that papa line. A is inside the blue lines. G is touching mama line. It has to be like that. Write neatly. Lag. Are you copying from board? Are you able to copy? Elon, what is that you're playing there? Write fast. Gavri finished? Drisha? Anai? Number 4. Let's write. Nag. Nag. Finished? What is nag? Crying for things. Okay? Simply nagging with mummy. Buy me that. Buy me this. I want to watch cartoon. Give me your phone. If you don't give me the phone, I'm not going to eat today. I'm going to stay in Mumbai. Drisha, did you say that? Anai, finished? Gauri, finished? Nesta? Okay, the next one is tag. Tag. Next time, mummy is ordering something from the shop or the Flipkart or Amazon, ask her to show the tag. Okay, it will have a price tag. Or from Lulu, if you buy things, you will get a tag. Okay? Johes, Elon, Nesta, Asya Aisha, Anvin, Sam, Esra. The next one is rag. Rag. Write one time only now. Don't continue writing. After class, you can complete the other lines, other columns. Okay? Rag. What is rag? Old cloths. Number 7, we write wag. W-A-G. Wag. What is wag? We have 2 meanings. One is dog wagging the tail. The next one is a clown is also called a wag. Anvin, what is that you're talking, Anvin? I'm coming to your house. Talk with me then. Jennifer, Adya, say and write. Vedika, Vaiga, only your windows I can see, all square windows. Where are you? Vaiga, PA. Number 8. Let's write flag. F-L-A-G. Flag. It's a 4-letter word we are learning. Flag. Shrisham finished. Jit. PN finished. Ivania. Joel. Gayatri. Asya Aisha. Ivania Rose. Aldrich Lixen. Alankrita. Catherine. Helen. Advika. Finished? Okay. Now turn the next page if you have done this. Let's write a sentence. Can we write? Okay. The next page, please write the date, 19/11, and start writing the capital A. Yay. Write the capital A, leave 1 finger space and write W-A-G, wag. A wag. W-I-T-H, with. A wag with. A bag. A wag with a bag. Write only 1 time now. After my class, you can continue writing. A wag with a bag. I see everybody keeping silent. Your lips are not saying anything. I'm going to keep you all in UKG. No, I will send you to LKG then, you see. Open your mouth and say, everybody, the say and write. A wag with a bag. Open your lips. Did you all put lipstick as Fevicol? Everybody put Fevicol lipstick. It is glued. Your lips are glued today. Huh? So bad, huh? Open your lips. Speak. Or else I will also speak like how you're doing it. A wag with a bag. Finished? Okay. Now listen carefully. Put your pencils down. You can write this after my class. Now today, Nancy ma'am will be sending a revision question paper to your mummy. Okay, in that I'll have drawn a picture like this. Okay, what is this picture? It is old cloths. We have made a mat. So with old cloths, old cloths is called rag. So you can write rag, rag for name it. Okay, it is to be taken it as rag. Okay, now for name it, I'm going to draw few figures here. Okay, you will tell me what is that. Okay, it will be a bag here, rag. Then you have, see, 50% off. So what is that? It's called a tag. Okay, then sometimes I may give this as swag, or sometimes I would have drawn a dog there. Okay, for example, the dog parents, if you can draw like this, please make a funny dog. Okay, sorry. It's looking like a goat now. Okay, my board is also escaping. Okay. Okay, dog you can try like this. Okay, for them to understand this as dog. Okay, make a dog and a tail like this. Okay, and a dash. Okay, now children, let's write here. If mummy is giving you dashes like this, what will you fill in there? The first one, if you see a mat like this with old cloths, you think this is a old cloth. Okay, but I've made a mat out of it. So what will you write? Rag. Rag. Okay, the next one, Joanna, what is this? It's a